second project is a picture display, and this picture display can be picked up at the 99-cent store. Chalk paint and the metal phrases from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need all that. So this is the dollar picture display, and when I saw it, I thought this is totally Marshall's or Kirkland's, because Marshall's has had quite a couple pieces that look like this. So all I did was I painted 3 layers, and I was able to get rid of that family saying that was on there. The optional sandpaper that I did put on your list of options, you can totally sand the family part away as well too, instead of painting 3 layers, but that's what I did. To all of my loyal Dollar Tree shoppers, I know that you guys saw these notepads they had in store. They are so cute, totally farmhouse worthy, totally something that you would see at Kirkland's. So I picked up a couple, and I thought, let me create a Memo display for our kitchen. That would be an option, or it can be a picture display featuring my daughter who is away, and she's not away like states away, she's 20 minutes away, nevertheless she's away. So you can make it, like I said, a picture display or a Memo display, just depends on your preference and what you're using it for. So that's what I did, and it just took some paint and those metal phrases, and it cost me $2, not including the paint. The paint you could find at Walmart for $1. So definitely try this one, because this one's totally farmhouse inspired. So I think it would go great in any farmhouse kitchen. And I just love the way it turned out. All I did was I added twine. I tied it to the clip on top, tied it to the pen, and created this piece. So again, I just like to show you guys how to incorporate what you have or what you've recently bought into how you can incorporate them with what you're making. And those ball lights and the twine lights were from the Target dollar spot. And like I said, I just wanted to show you the different looks you can create. There are some other DIYs that I have for you, especially those frames in the background that you see there, and the pumpkin, the thankful pumpkin. So stick with me, bear with me. I'm trying my best to upload as fast as possible. And I just want to thank everyone who has commented and left me some really nice comments. I am trying my best to give you guys some Dollar Tree DIYs and trying to stay as frugal as possible, because I want everybody to just craft their lives away. There's nothing like making something out of nothing and feeling accomplished and knowing that you've saved quite a bit of money. So for me, that leaves me money for shoes. I'm a shoe addict. I definitely love my Jordans, and I love my Nike trainers. So I have quite a bit of a shoe collection. So that's what my extra money goes to, and my kids. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys. Bye.